Hey folks, welcome back to another Espresso Tech Shorts. And today we're going to be looking at like a Mocha Frappe, a coffee milkshake if you will. So what I got here is I got my glass of ice, my coffee of course. Again, some kind of binding agent, so this is potato starch, but you can use xanthan gum or agar-agar powder. Some kind of milk beverage. I have almond milk right here, and then your favorite ice cream. So today we're going to be doing chocolate. So we're just going to throw in the oat milk to your glass. You don't need it all the way full. Probably just about half full. Your binding agent. Again, that's probably about a teaspoon. Whichever one you use, your results may vary in terms of how much you need to use, but I'd recommend starting at a less amount. So, you know, half a teaspoon for your binding agent per beverage. And then probably a couple scoops of our favorite ice cream. Okay, so pop the lid on. And as with any blended beverage, you want to start low and you want to work your way up. And you don't want to blend it for too long, otherwise the ice will melt and it'll just come out kind of watery. So we're going to start at 0 and start blending. All right, take it out and then grab your glass. Now this one's pretty thick. You can see it doesn't move around almost at all. If you wanted one that was a little more liquidy, you could add another dash of milk. But since it's going to melt as you drink it, the ice is, I'd recommend going on the thicker side because it'll eventually be less thick, right? So, and then sometimes a little shake to get it in. I'm just gonna grab yourself your favorite dish towel, clean up your edges. Presentation matters, even if you're only drinking it yourself, right? You want to feel good about it. And there we go. That's gonna be your kind of like a Mocha Frappe or something like that. And like I said, as it sits out, it will melt, so it'll get a little more liquidy, but you shouldn't see a distinct separation of ice and liquid because you added in that binding agent. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.